Hi, I'm Josh Hooley with Forest River Salem Hemisphere, and today we're going to be checking out the 271 RL. This floor plan is a rear living, hence the RL in its name. It is 7,700 pounds and 34 feet 7 inches from tongue to bumper. So this is something that a lot of newer half tons could potentially pull, but again, check the ratings on your vehicle before you make that decision. Furniture wise, in the 271 RL, we do have a 2-seat theater sofa with center armrest. It does have charging ports for any of your smart devices while you're sitting here. And then another piece of furniture here in the back you'll actually notice is a tri-fold sofa, not a jackknife. So this will fold out into a good sized bed that you could sleep some kids or even adults on as well. Notice too that we have blackout shades on all of these blinds with a white backer on it. This actually will help with the amount of sunlight getting helping to heat up your unit. This will reflect that sunlight and kind of avoid some of that heat getting in here. We do have overhead cabinetry here for storage with struts. Now moving into the off-door side of the unit is the entertainment center in the slide out here. This is a 50-inch LED TV. We have some countertop space right here to set some pictures or knickknacks, along with a Furrion soundbar, more storage, and then a mirrored fireplace that does offer some electric heat for those chilly mornings that you don't want to burn propane. So next to the entertainment center here in the 271 RL is going to be your kitchenette that has a stovetop cover that does have a glass stovetop cover with countertop space here, and then an oven and a pots and pans drawer. The nice part about having a deep pots and pans drawer here is that if you actually want to cook while you're camping, it's going to require a little bit more storage than your average camper drawer offers, so we include that as well. Now if you need a spot to wash those dishes, we do offer a large single mount underbowl sink with a stainless strainer. You can set strainers on there or just strain dishes right on top of that, along with a high-rise faucet with a pull-out sprayer. Now you notice an oven or microwave, excuse me, and then our new for 2023 glass front 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. We were already using a 12 volt, but this is in the new setup with Furrion and the glass stove or glass front that looks really clean and matches the rest of your appliances now. Right here you'll have like your Keurig or coffee pot storage area, maybe a crock pot right here just inside the door with dips in it. And then across from that you'll have a 4-person dinette here. This gives you great views with 2 large windows facing your campsite. Having a dinette slide on this side of your camper gives you that kind of flexibility. And this is an option, the freestanding dinette, but this one has that option. What's standard will be a booth dinette. Moving towards the front of the unit here, we do have the bathroom that features a porcelain toilet along with a large walk-in shower that does have a skylight above it, along with a large linen closet and a medicine cabinet here. Now the bedroom of this unit does have a windshield here with the blind down. We're currently in privacy mode here. You do get cubbies on both sides of this bed. Those are large enough for CPAPs, and they obviously have USB charging ports, so even if you have a CPAP plugged in, you still have the extra outlets to charge your phone at night too. As you can tell, you actually have room to walk this way side to side on both sides of the bed, along with shirt closets that are actually tall enough for a shirt. And then if you do need more storage in this unit, we offer an entire wardrobe closet here with hanging space. So let's go check out the outside of the Salem Hemisphere 271 RL. Here we are outside the Salem Hemisphere 271 RL. We're going to check out some of the features on the outside, starting at the front here. This standard will have a 2-tone painted front cap, so it's not going to chalk or fade like a dyed cap would. And then you also have a nice automotive grade windshield here that is professionally installed. So moving around to the side here, you'll notice that we do a large pass-through storage with large baggage doors and slam latches on both sides, along with magnet catches. Now, doing both big doors on both sides will allow you to be able to utilize this space from either side, as opposed to putting a small door on the off door side, and now you can only access the big things through this side. So gives you flexibility there. You'll notice switch number 1 of our power stabilizer jacks. There's actually 2 power stabilizer jack setups on this unit. We'll check out the back one when we get there. Now we do have 2 awnings on this unit because we do a dinette slide. At Salem Hemisphere, it's all about functionality. So if we're gonna put a deep slide out on your campsite side, we're gonna offer an awning on that slide out so you can still maximize the amount of campsite space that you have at your convenience. Here at the entrance, we'll do a large flip out grab handle along with a 3-step MORryde solid step with a 30-inch wide door and a friction hinge, along with a new for 2023 feature, a window in the entrance door. Moving towards the back here, underneath this slide out is one of the great features of our travel trailer line, and that is the wide stance axles. So these axles are 42 inches from center of hub to center of hub, as opposed to about 24 inches, which is what the industry standard is. 2 important things to people with towing a travel trailer is tongue weight and then the sway, and spreading your axles out is going to help with both of those things. Towards the back here, you'll notice our LP Quick Connect. Every Salem Hemisphere will come equipped with a LP Quick Connect, even if we don't have room for an outside kitchen, so you can utilize a gas grill if you'd like. Now, again, power stabilizer jack here in the back. You just have the 1 switch here at the back and the 1 at the front. Once you get leveled, you can run those down and you're ready to go. On the back here, we do have the Lipper on-the-go ladder prep. That can be purchased aftermarket. We have videos on how to use that as well. But that kind of wraps up the outside of the Forest River Salem Hemisphere 271 RL. If you have any more questions or you'd like more information, you can check us out at forestriverinc.com/Salem.